Welcome to another vlog. Today's a Saturday morning. Medyo maaga kami ni Habi ngayon kasi meron kaming lab test or appointment sa urgent care. Hi, Habi!
Hi.
Ayan, mag-drive kami. We're going to... Mag-drive kami. Siya pala yung nag-drive. We're going to pick up mom. Sama siya sa amin. And then we're gonna go straight to urgent care, Walmart, Burlington ata. And then yun lang, uwi na rin kami. Wala masyadong ganap today. So, meron tayong grocery list. Ay, isa pa. Ayan. Ang aming mga bibilhin lang today. Kahapon na wala kami ng kuryente. Natakot ako. Takot kami kasi nga we're gonna pick up mom first. Kasi nga, ano ba tawag dito? May mga food kami sa fridge. Alam niyo naman lagi kami nag-grocery, di ba? So, yun lang. We're gonna catch up with you later. Hello guys, I'm here at Walmart. Namimili tayo ng grocery for this weekend. Ayan, meron na tayong mga gulay. Tapos sa bahay na ako mag-haul ng iba. Ayan. So this is our list for today. Kukunin na natin yung ating mga kailangan. Okay? Hello, handsome. We are done mag-grocery. We're able to take mom home. And we are heading somewhere. We're gonna go to Payless Car Sales. Check lang kami ng mga cars doon. We'll see. We're just thinking about trading this car in or whatever. But we'll just see. Anyway, makakapag-haul siguro kapag uwi. Okay, mag-alala kasi malamig naman. And yung mga pinamili ko na mga like tilapia, nasa insulated na bag naman yan as always. So we are home. So, kami ay natuloy sa dealership. Pero, nagtingin-tingin lang kami ng cars. Pero naisip namin na, you know what? It's fine, hindi ko naman kailangan ng car. Gusto ko ng sariling car, pero I don't know if I want one or want to have one in the winter. We'll see. Pero dahil baguhan driver ako dito sa US, syempre ayoko naman ng brand new. Hindi ko naman kailangan ng brand new. Used car okay na sa akin. Kasi may brand new naman kami sa akin from last year. So that should be good. But anyway, I'm going to do a haul. Naka $107 tayo, pero marami akong napamili. So, napakita ko sa yung mga pinamili namin ni Hubby, or pinamili ko lang pala kasi, as usual, si Hubby ay lagi nag-wait lang sa car. Eggs. Ayan, brown eggs. Magkukosmo kami sa I think end of the month. Magkakaroon tayo ng medyo huge Costco haul. Kasi nga mag-stock up na kami for winter. Tilapia. Ayan, kayo naman ni Hubby. I used to buy yung talagang like full na tilapia with ice, yung head. Pero ang hirap din kasi kainin kapag matinik. So, ito lang ang binili ko. We got butter, blue bonnet, pero sa pancakes or pang cooking. And then, I also got this whipped with sweet cream buttermilk na move over butter. Din tayong turkey meat or ground turkey for spaghetti. We don't use beef anymore or pork. Yung ginamitan namin is turkey. And then turkey breast for pambao namin ni Hubby for sandwich to lunch. Bili na ako ng sliced carrots, carrot chips. Pwede namin kainin papakid for dinner or for snacks. And para sa ating kaldereta mamaya. And then red bell pepper para sa ating kaldereta as well. 2 yellow onions. Dalawa lang binili natin kasi ayokong nabubulok ang pagkain. And dahil fall season, meron bagong yogurt ang, what's the brand? Dannon. So light and fit, caramel apple pie, and 2 pumpkin pie. So ayan. Super excited akong i-try ito mga sis. Limited edition lang siya pang pang fall or Halloween. Tapos, bumili pa rin kami ng ibang yogurt na zero sugar kasi this one, hindi siya zero sugar, but it's not too sweet. Pero I got strawberry, vanilla, and then these are zero sugar. And then while this one is strawberry cheesecake na favorite din namin ni Hubby. So meron kami total of 7 yogurts. Tagal naman sa amin ito ng actually 2 weeks or more. Next, textured crackers, buttery smooth. Ayan. Sis, marami tayong mga great value. Puro great value halos mga pinamili namin. Kaya hindi ganun kamahal yung aming binayaran or aking binayaran. Ritz pambao ni Hubby. Syempre, di mawala ang ating bread na favorite namin. This is the Kenai River Alaska Grains na bread. And another cooking oil. Maliit lang binibili namin cooking oil, pero para may stock lang kami sa winter, especially kapag nagkukook ng lumpia. As much as possible, hindi ko na inuulit yung... Inuulit ko kung lumpia pa rin, pero like, if I've used it more than 3 times, I'm not gonna use it anymore. I also got some bananas for me and hubby para man kaming snacks. Balik na ulit kami sa no rice. I don't know when mag-start, pero balik na kami sa no rice ni hubby. I got some pasta sauce just in case mag-crave tayo ng pang spaghetti. Gusto ko laging may naka-ready kasi hindi naman kami lagi lumalabas ni hubby. Pwede naman kami kumain sa labas, pero like what I said in my previous vlogs up until today, na we prefer to eat inside the house or in our home. And gusto ko lagi may ingredients sa ako dito para pag, let's say, tomorrow, sabihin ko, Happy, parang gusto ko ng ano, Dex, gusto ko ng spaghetti. Okay, may spaghetti sauce ako and then may pasta. So, ayan ang pinili natin. Spaghetti without the spaghetti pasta is not gonna be a spaghetti. So, 2 pounds yung binili ko, konti lang. Next time nila ako bibili ulit kapag mag-holidays or mag-Christmas na siguro. So, I got the Great Value no-stir peanut butter, pang kare-kare at pang palaman na rin. So, masarap naman yung Great Value. Hindi ako maarte. Usually have Skippy or GIF or GIF pa yon. Pero, we just decided to go for the Great Value brand, especially kung pang luto-luto lang naman. Corned beef na Great Value, syempre. Marami tayong Great Value ngayon kasi nga mura. And I was supposed to get Spam, kaso naka-lock. So, sa Costco na nakamamili ng mga Spam tsaka ibang Vienna sausage. So, speaking of Vienna sausage, meron kami 2 Vienna sausage. 2 lang, pang almusal. And then, potted meat. Para siyang liver spread sa Pilipinas or chicken spread. Pero I don't know how this tastes. I feel like it's like Vienna sausage. Pa rin siya. Parang galing yung taste, pero spreadable version. So, ayun. I don't know how much these are, pero alam ko, wala pang, parang $1 lang ata ito or $1 and some change. We love soup. So, I got this condensed mushroom soup. So, this is cream of mushroom soup. Great Value. 98% fat-free. So, ito yung binili natin. Healthy version daw. Puro tayo Great Value. Baka naman, diba? Lagi lang tayo sa Walmart. I got this Giorgio pieces and stems. This brand I haven't tried. Pero it's cheap ha. Parang $2 and some change lang siya. Mas mura pa nga ito sa Great Value eh. But anyway, pang spaghetti lang natin yan or pang gisa-gisa. And then sweet peas. Lalagyan yan sa kaldereta mamaya pa nagluto tayo ni hubby. We also have this Maple Grove na sugar-free syrup for pancakes. And then, meron din tayong food na Macar. 2 binili ko kasi meron pa kaming 3 ata dito. So, we'll just buy more next week siguro or the next week. Sa mga non-food naman, pads and deodorant. So gorgeous, guys, sis. Ayun lang yung pinamili ko. Napunta ko ng Burlington kanina, pero hindi ko na mapakita kasi bumili ako 2 pads. Pads lang siya pang pang work ko extra. And then, isang maliit na chopping board. So, I'm not gonna include that kasi kumapit ako ng coupon. Anyway, we also got a pack of water. So, excuse me, honestly, for $100, everything's getting expensive these days. Super dami na nito. I expect to spend a lot sa Costco when we go there. So, budget namin sa Costco is like $250. That's gonna be, I think, last week of the month. So, ayan, nagbo-budget kami every month. So, like what I said, spending $100 for grocery every week, it's okay. Because, again, we don't go out. We don't go out and eat sa mga restaurants. Not because we're kuripot or we can't afford. But because we're already buying food that we love, that we want, and we work. So, homebody lang talaga kami ni hubby. Nag-play siya ng games, watch ako movie. Sometimes we play games together, but yeah, that's it. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Sana hindi kayo magsawa man ng mga vlogs ko. Kahit na ulit na lang na random video. Para nagkaka-idea rin kayo kung magkano budget namin every week. I know marami nang nakakarating ng US lately, and every state, iba-iba yung cost. Sa iba mura, pero may tax dito. Tax-free ng groceries namin. I mean, fixed na wala lang binabalik extra when we check out. Like 2% or 1%, wala nang ganun. Anyway, thank you for watching this vlog. I'll definitely see you in my next one. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. Thank you, God bless, and see you in my next one. Bye!